Tips for you to become rich and successful. Tip number 1. Read biography of successful people. I love reading. I think biographies are the most helpful type of books because they show us what movies cannot show us about the success. In movies, you can see success, but you can hardly see those horrors and tears behind those successes. In biography, you see the real picture of what people went through to become who they are. So these stories will do 3 things for you. First, you will have a better understanding of how people achieve success. Second, you'll be encouraged and wouldn't blame someone else for your failures. Instead, you see your failure as a teacher that makes you smarter. Third, you will never give up because I have read the stories of ordinary people like me went through similar things to what I was going through and came out victorious. If they could do it, I can do it. Making your mark on the world is hard. If it were easy, everybody would do it. But it's not. It takes patience, it takes commitment, and it comes with plenty of failure along the way.